Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In this video, we will cover how to set up and use search and discovery with Shopify. To achieve this, you will need to be on a basic, Shopify, or advanced paid plan. If you are using Shopify Starter, you will not have the ability to add this app. To add the search and discovery option to our Shopify store, you will need to be logged in to your Shopify dashboard, where we will click the search and we will put search and discovery. And we will click search and discovery in Shopify App Store. You can also click what the result is, and that will take you to the app page where we can see the overview of our app. This page holds the detail. At the time of this recording, this is free to use, and it allows you to add a simple search with customizable filters, add product boots to feature products, and add related or complementary products on the product detail page. Now we're going to click install, which will bring this into our Shopify store. Then we'll click install. And this will open up our search and discovery page. You can edit your existing filters, such as price and availability on collections in the search results page, promote your products, or help customers find products easier by creating a group of synonyms. Then it has some information here, and then your search performance. So when somebody comes to your store and puts in a particular search term, this will populate the information that of the actions that they took, whether they clicked it, they purchased it, or even your recommended products, which are down here. All of this information will live in your search and discovery app page, which you can find under your apps in your left-hand menu. Right under the search and discovery, we find the filters, and here we have a filter automatically set for availability and price. For the availability, we have a standard filter label and a price label. These are typical filters that people would also search for. Another filter you can do is your color, and it will pull all your color options from your store products. So that's why we have beige, black, blue, burgundy. So how you put them in your variants is how they will show up here and will make it searchable. So this becomes a new filter for your customers to search by. And then I'll add another one, and we can do size. So this will populate all of the sizes that are in your store and make it searchable. So we'll save that. So we have our size, we have our color, our price, and availability. If we look at this on our store, when we go over we'll go to our catalog page, we have our filters here, which we have our sizes, and it shows the size and how many in stock. Then we have the color, the price, availability. So we'll do in stock, and we'll do a size 3. So that should bring up the products that we have in our store that fit those filters. So here we have a size 3. It's a color red. We have the quantity for this because it uses our product information, and we know because it's in stock. If I was to click out of stock, any product that had a size 3 would show up here, in stock or out of stock. So now we'll go back to our filter page, and you can view your filters from here, which will be on your product page. You can also choose your products to promote in your search results. So if there are certain products that may sell, you can sell more than usual, or you're trying to kind of get it to be seen by people who are in your store. Maybe it's you feel that it's not really getting the visibility that you good, then you could create a product boost. So we have our product. I'm going to create it. There we go. And I'll do the search term of shoe, because obviously that's a shoe. Then when I go into the store, if I was to search for a shoe, first thing that's going to pop up is that shoe. That's going to be first and foremost in my shoe preview. So there you go. Okay, so those are our product boost. Then you have your synonyms, where you can add a synonym group. Synonym words, which like they have hat for the title and cap for the synonym. Another one would be pop and soda. Once you put those synonyms in, you're able to match those products and have those grouped also. So you have your product recommendations after that, and we can see here what the related products are to this particular product. So if it's related, it's probably a shoe, like, yes, these are shoes. So it's, of course, connected to the shoes. But you could come in and say, hey, we have a bag, or let's see, I think it's a t-shirt in here. We have a t-shirt. Oh, look, a bag. We have a t-shirt in here that goes well with this product. So then when I save it, so we have our auto-generated products here that match this shoe. Then you can add your complementary products here. And then we'll hit settings. First, I'll save this. There we go. Then your settings. So for your filters, choose how filter values with no matching products are shown in your store. Do you want them shown at the end or in default order? Then choose what results appear for customers. Predictive search results. Where do we want them products? I mean, your blog post you can, but if you don't want the predictive search results, you don't have to, which is when it auto finishes or auto completes. Then your out of stock products, where do you want them mixed with other results at the end or not at all? So after you put those filters in and you put those search pieces together, then you're good to go. You now have the search and discovery filter set on your store, making it easier for your customers to navigate and find what they need.